If you struggle to grow your YouTube channel, stop scrolling. I'm about to reveal the single most important book you probably haven't read. The Art and Business of Online Writing by Nicolas. And yes, you heard, we're talking about writing, because in this book, it is all about attention. And on YouTube, attention is everything. Cole is a highly successful author, he's an entrepreneur, and he is renowned for his online writing expertise. I found this book as a recommendation by Ali Abdaal on how this book helped him on his YouTube journey. In this book, Cole breaks down the science of capturing and keeping online attention. And when you think about it, your video title, your thumbnail, your intro, your hook, that's all about grabbing eyeballs instantly. And this book teaches you how to craft those into magnets to grab people's attention. The book's core premise is about how to understand how to capture and keep attention online. Cole's insights into headlines and hooks, storytelling, and maintaining engagement are directly applicable from writing to YouTube video creation. Cole frames online content creation as a game with specific rules and strategies. He teaches the reader how to understand platform algorithms and how to optimize for discoverability and virality. He talks about building an audience. The book really emphasizes the importance of consistent output, analyzing data like your views, your comments, your shares, and building credibility by providing value. These are all essential for YouTubers aiming to grow their subscriber base and their influence. As the title suggests in the book, it also talks about monetization and business aspects. For YouTubers looking to monetize their channel, the concepts of turning your content into valuable assets, understanding your audience needs, and positioning yourself as an influencer are all highly relevant. He also provides a lot of actionable advice. Reviewers constantly praise this book for its practicality, the actionable advice, and real-world examples rather than just talking about abstract theory. And it makes it really easy for YouTubers to grab things that work for them and implement it straight into your content strategy. A key takeaway from Cole's philosophy in this book is about looking at the reader or the viewer as the main character. This is an audience-centric approach, and it's vital for YouTubers as you need to create content that resonates with your target audience. While this book might not directly teach you how to edit your videos or optimize your YouTube tags, it does provide you with something much more important, which is the foundational understanding of online attention, content creation, and audience building that is directly transferable to building and scaling your YouTube channel. Go ahead and read the book and then let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.